everyone, my name's Ella. Welcome to my studio. I'm based here in Hackney, London, and I'm a designer. I predominantly use my camera to create patterns. And then I either paint or I draw, and I work with my computer a lot to make them come to life. A lot of my inspiration comes from my everyday. So here is a whole load of bicycles and different bikes I've photographed around Hackney. And here is a mug that I designed for the Tate Museums with all my artist tools on it. But my activity for you today is centered all around wool. So now we're going to start making your own tapestry room. And I've suggested you make one from an old picture frame, but you can easily make your own one with cardboard and string. And I've shown you that in the activity pack. But what you'll need if you are able to have some help from an adult is a frame, a ruler, a hammer, a pencil, lots of nails, a pair of scissors, a fork, and an old cardboard envelope that's quite stiff. Mark out the spaces for your nails. Now I've already done mine earlier and I've got 2 rows of nails, but I suggest for your first tapestry you just try one line of nails, top and bottom. So you want to start with a ball of wool and you want to tie a little loop knot. So watch me here. It's also in the activity pack. But there's my loop knot. And then I'm going to start, because I'm right-handed, in the top right-hand side of the frame. And then I'm going to just pull that so it's held tight. Okay, and then you're going to start threading. So you go down the bottom, then up to the next one, then round. Always use your finger to hold the wool in place as you stretch it to make it taut up at the top. So here we go. I'm just going around a few times. You'll get your scissors and cut it. That's your warp. So now the next bit of your activity is to make your own needle. There's my needle. You're going to want to cut a little hole in that. Make sure you get an adult to help. There's my needle. Now if you don't want to make a cardboard one, you can use a darning needle. The other thing I want you to cut out, which I did earlier, is a long ruler out of cardboard which you're going to thread through, in and out. So now we're ready to start weaving. So threading through, and now we're ready to go. So this is where the ruler comes in. Pull that down and just let your needle, in this case a cardboard needle, slide through the same direction under all the threads of the ruler. And then hold the end of your piece of wool so that you don't pull it all the way through. You want to leave it about a hand width, like that. Then you push your ruler back up to the top and you thread back in the other direction, under and over, under and over. Because then you lightly pull the thread down to make a horizontal line, and this is called your weft. So check the activity book for other ideas, like adding new materials such as ribbon or cut strips from an old pair of jeans, and add tassels like I've done here. Now you just gently prise off each loop off your nail. In this case it's wood. I like to tie them straight away before I take off the second one. So you take 2 loops and you make a simple knot and pull. And then again, 2 loops, a simple knot and pull through. Now to finish off these edges, you want to turn it over and you want to fold them back in to your weave very gently. Now that you're a bit more familiar with wool, Let's think about how you can use it to create a spectacular invention. Could it be a jumper for a tiny crab? Or might it be a cute rug for a little house mouse? Or perhaps you want to cover an old stool with your pattern tapestry. Now, the fun part for me is that once you've uploaded your little invention onto the Little Inventors website, I get to choose my favourite Little Inventors invention. And you get a chance to chat to me on Skype. We can discuss your design. You can have a chat with me about my designs and about my studio practice. And generally, we can just have a good chat. So I really look forward to seeing what you do. Don't forget to upload it and don't forget to enjoy it. Bye for now.